Welcome to the Sixth Sense Foundation.
Dropping off dropping off jackets. Dropping off dropping off jackets. Will and Kahlil got the deal, man, for real. Will and Kahlil got the deal, man, for real. Dropping off dropping off jackets. Dropping off dropping off jackets. Will and Kahlil got the deal, man, for real. Will and Kahlil got the deal, man, for real.
Welcome to the Sixth Sense Foundation.
Powered by LEVI'S.
Told me to do.
4, 3, 2. My assistant is assisting. It's a beautiful thing. But like I was saying, that's Will.
This is my homeboy, aka Kahlil.
This is Dropping Off Jackets. On this
Episode
of Dropping Off Jackets. Will, what episode we on?
We on number 18.
17.
17?
We are coming to you live from Midtown, Atlanta, Georgia, Pont City Market, Lakeview, and as you can see, we are behind the house of my old crib on Lakeview. And as always, every Friday, I used to get the jerk fish over the rice.
No. Jerk chicken.
No, you used to get the jerk chicken. I would get the jerk fish.
No. You spaghetti with the broccoli.
No, you used to get that. I never got that. But they did have the chicken lasagna on Saturday.
The collard greens with the corn.
I get the collard greens, no corn. I don't know who this guy is. This is Dropping Off Jackets.
He's not eating well.
This is Dropping Off Jackets, and the star of the show is actually this guy.
Yeah.
This guy, let me tell you, is a legend in Atlanta. He was working at Eats longer than the owners of Eats. You know what I'm saying? So if you know him, you know. If you know him, and that's cool. But for I know him, he's my brother. Now it took me like 5-6 months catching up to him because he didn't know what this was about, and that's cool. That's the way we like it.
Yeah. Ignoring people's phone calls. Don't want to be bothered.
We gonna catch you.
But if you ever ate at Eats, this man was behind the scenes chefing it up.
Then you know bacon. Then you know bacon.
Hold on, how long?
23 years. Jordan's number. So we don't really have that much loyalty left in the world where a person can sit there and stay and do a job and do a good job and know everybody in the city. Everybody come in the city, they come in to look with you and they eating with you and they messing with you and they loving you.
They're coming for bacon. Say word.
That's why we here. We love this guy. So,
come for bacon.
We gonna let him tell him a little bit about himself. If he ain't got nothing to say, he don't want to give his IGs, that's cool. But we gonna let him tell you about him. Who are you, my brother? Who are you?
That's right, tell him. What you talking about, Mr. Bacon?
Yeah.
Ain't no bacon, that's who I am.
Where you from, brother? What got you to Atlanta?
A dream and $40 got me to Atlanta in '94. Freaknik weekend, and I'm still here. Call home, mama.
Freaknik!
I ain't coming home no more.
Freaknik!
I'm telling you, Atlanta, it's been that way ever since. So, you know, if you've been in the city, you've been by Atlanta, you know, and celebrities, like all kind of people, like Eats. It's the spot. The spot. 600 Ponce de Leon.
Come get you some grub. We're going to drop in some food. We're going to drop in the menus. We're going to drop in a couple B-rolls. Let you see the restaurant. Let you know exactly where it is. You probably eat here once a week like I do. And did. But either way, you got some IGs. You got some TikToks. You want to lead the people if they want to know how to contact you?
Nah, my name speaks for itself.
Boom.
You want to find me, you look up my name.
There it is.
Yeah!
That's what I'm talking about.
So at this moment, I got to give it to him. He don't know what it is.
This show is about what?
And we about Dropping Off Jackets. So by right now,
giving people their flowers.
His flowers. His personal design jacket. He don't even know what it is.
Damn.
There you go. Hold it up. Upside down. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, look at it. Turn to the front. Look at that shit. You know what I'm saying? Look at the name tag. Yeah. Right there, you see that? Yeah. Oh. Yeah. There we go, right here. Bacon.
Hey, you can see the shock on his face. He ain't even gotta He ain't even gotta say no more. That's cool, man.
This love right here.
Yeah, this is
love right here.
This is my guy, Bacon. Hold on. We gonna
He know we don't
do the honors.
He don't
He's
smile
officially
a lot.
in the gang.
It might be big man in a little coat.
No, it's okay. It's okay. We know what you, so we know what it do. Guess
Don't
what?
stretch on
Guess
these
what?
fools, bro.
It's a fitting jacket. It fits. And Miss Sierra Bacon, I'm about to get dressed up like Nelly in 2003. Will, yo, let these people know.
Yeah. You got bacon with the double pipe. Look at butter on the inside.
Check
Good
the back.
flavor.
Check the back.
Bacon.
Yeah! So, just like this in each and every episode of Dropping Off Jackets, that's Will.
That's my homeboy Kahlil.
And I got bacon on my face, baby. Just like Nelly in 2003.
Yeah.
Hey, we coming into you live from Midtown. Man, this is how we get down, baby.
Yeah.
It took us a long time, but it was worth it. My man Bacon, he got his bacon
That's love,
jacket.
bro.
That's love.
That's love, bro.
That's love. Straight
That's
from
what I do
Levi's,
it for.
powered by Levi's.
I do it for that love, bro.
Yeah.
Not for the likes.
Thank you.
Not for the likes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Will, what else you got to say to these people? That's it?
Oh, that's it.
Oh.
We finna go grub, finna go eat now.
Yeah, we're going to catch some.
time.
We'll show you some B-roll. We're going to get some grub.
Yeah.
And I promise you, you're going to catch us on another episode of
Dropping off jackets.
Dropping Off
18.
Jackets.
Bacon, show 'em bacon.
Watch and learn.
Flex on these.
Watch and learn. Cool. All right, guys.
Welcome to the